guys, and welcome back to our Scratch tutorials. Today we are going to make an apple clicker game where you just click the apple, get points, and buy upgrades and stuff. First, let's delete the Scratch cat here that Scratch gave us. The cat scratches. That's funny. Scratch cat, cat scratch. That's funny. Okay, the apple. Here it is. Okay, we need to start coding. Green flag clicked. Go to X0 and Y0. Very, 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 very important. We need to make a new variable called apples. That seems appropriate for this, since we're clicking an apple, and it's going to be called apple clicker. Also, agree if I click the apples to 0, go to X00, and you just can't forget when this sprite clicked. Change apples by 1. Ta-da! Our game might be finished. But I don't really get this. It's kind of boring. All you do is just click an apple. Doesn't even make a sound. What's this? That sounds okay. Let's choose a sound called pop. I think that'll be good enough. When the sprite clicked, play pop until done. I just don't feel like this is good. So let's make a wait 0.01 seconds. We're going to change size by 10. Change size by -10. Let's check this out. Testing. Okay, now all we need is some, upgrades. Let's make this. Paint a new sprite. Make a gray color. That looks pretty good. Let's make this. Bang. Oopsie. Let's get rid of that little baby guy, or whatever you call it. Let's choose this color. Very black. Yeah, let's just make it black ourselves. And write money per click. Nice. I like money per click. And then below it, I'd say 50 or so. Nice. Let's duplicate the thing. And now this is a new sprite. Money per. I'm just going to do SEC. Just because I don't want to write the whole thing of second? Money per second should not cost 50. It costs 100. Nice. Okay. Now you can't forget to drag this thing in the center. Save the money per click. Money per click, I mean. Looks good. So now, for the money per click, green flag clicked, go to, and then same thing with this sprite. Yeah, green flag clicked, go to, yeah, nice. I'm just going to change that to 151. It's funny. For same Y. And actually their expression is 156 and minus 156. That's funny. Go to the money per click guy. But first, let's make a new variable called apples per click. It's fine. But we need to change this sprite thing here. Let's go there, change that to apples per click. And then apples per second. Nice. Apples per click. And then we'll also need a new variable called apples per SEC for second. Oopsie, it's fine. Apples per second. Now let's check this out. Green flag clicked. Set. Well, you just got set. Apples per second to 0. Apples per click to 1. Head back in the apple. Change apples by apples per click. Surprising, right? Go to the apples per click sprite. When this sprite clicked, well, yeah. If greater than 49. If apples is greater than 49, change apples by minus 50. That just makes no sense. That's why we're going to change something about it. Change apples per click by 1. Also, go back to the apple. Just double checking. Change apples by apples per click. Yes. Now we have this upgrade thing. Let's do the same with the other thing. If apples is greater than 99, then change apples per second by 1. Change apples by minus 50. Minus 100. And also, a green flag clicked. Forever. Wait 1 second. Change apples by apples per second. Ta-da! This is it, guys. Very quick video today. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.